Welcome. Rain slowly falls across Patagonia. The wind moves across the lakes, the mountains, the empty fields, and something inside you begins to breathe more slowly. Feel the cold air entering your chest, the vastness in front of you, the horizon that never ends, and the space between one thought and the next. There is no hurry here, no noise, nothing to prove, only wind, rain, an endless land. There are landscapes that seem to empty the mind, as if the world becomes larger and your burdens smaller. Watch the clouds moving over the mountains. Listen to the wind crossing the distance. Everything continues moving slowly, without effort, without resistance. Sometimes letting go does not mean losing. It means no longer carrying what you no longer need. Patagonia does not try to capture your attention. It simply exists. Immense, cold, silent, free. And in the middle of all this distance, your mind begins to open. You do not have to control the wind. You do not have to stop the rain. You can simply remain here, breathing, listening, letting go.